Welcome back to the channel, people. Check it out. As you can see, I got another video on the Superduty. Guys, been following my channel. You know I've been installing a auxiliary battery to my Superduty. All right, it did not come with the truck. I kind of wish I would have ordered it with the truck, but no worries. This is why it's DIY. We do it ourselves. We can install it. So check out those previous videos on installing the battery tray along with the reservoir. Not very hard. A couple of specialized tools you should pick up. Very inexpensive on Amazon. I'll put a link below on how to get those tools. But it's a doable job. All right. So as you can see, got the battery tray with the battery, with the reservoir. Last video I showed you, I installed the Red Arc DC to DC charger. All right, finally decided on the location where I'm gonna mount it, and I decided to put it right here. Fits perfectly, securely, ideally. All right, so now I just ordered some battery connectors from SDHQ. All right, and SDHQ, if you don't remember, I did a video on their brackets when I installed my Baja lights. Excellent brackets. Check out that video. All right, so ordered some more products from them, got the battery terminals installed, and they look nice. And as you can see, let me bring the camera around so you guys can see it. They look very nice installed. All right, very easy. So I'm going to take you along how I installed them. Very easy, short video, not too complicated. All right. So this is pretty much just eye candy for Superduty guys there. This is what we do, and gals. You know, we like customizing our truck, souping up, not souping up, but yeah, well, souping it up or just modifying to our liking. So if you're looking for information, this is what this channel is about, just sharing that information. Share it, you cherry pick what you like, disregard what you dislike. Please hit some comments in the below. I try to read all the comments and try to answer them to the best of my ability. And again, everything I've done on my truck, there are affiliate links below. It'll take you to a detailed page of everything I've done and where I got the parts from. So that's it. Please consider like, subscribe. Enough of me talking. Let's just get into the video and show how this is done. Let's go. Okay, all right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna set this up. Very easy to do. All right, this is just eye candies out there for my Superduty crew out there, or anyone interested on how to add a DC to DC charger. All right, just a little information. Okay, so as you see, I already set one up here. Simple, this is the positive side. They're gonna give you these small screws here. I believe these are 5/16, I believe they call it. Hold on, let me just get it right. Yeah, no, these are your 1/4-inch hardware. All right, and they go right here. So what I'm gonna do, and they also give you washers if you want to use them. I'm gonna throw in there temporarily. All right, and to fit that simple. Give you two, put another one right here. All right, that's simple. Just finger tight it. Next thing we're gonna put in the 3/8 hardware, which is this big one right here. All right, and that goes in the bigger hole, just like that. So this is gonna be the positive side. So most likely I'm gonna set mine up this way, so the screw goes that way. I'm gonna throw a washer and a nut. Again, just to set it up. Next, we're gonna add the 5/16 hex bolt that goes on top of here. And that'll be this one, I believe. Or I could be wrong. No, this one goes back here, I'm sorry. Goes to the back. All right, right here. Just like that. All right. And again, Grab a washer, not a locking washer, but a washer, and just tighten it up that way. All right. What else? Next one. Now the hex bolt goes on top with another washer, and I don't believe. Let me see what I got here. Is it this washer? Nope, got the wrong side washer. And I think I'm missing one proper size washer, which I'm gonna take it from here because I have to run my negative anyway. So yeah, I'm one short of a washer, which is not a big deal. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this here, I'm gonna put that right here. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna put that right here, I believe. Oh, did this wrong? That'll go there. And this one. Okay, all right, I got it all hooked up. All right, it's just trying to figure out which screws. They give you extra screws and extra washers if you need it. I'll put that to the side right there. And it's gonna be set up something like this. All right, I hope you guys can see that. Now this is my negative side because, as you can see, I have this type of terminal and I'm gonna continue to use that. So that'll go right on top of here like that for me. Once I get everything set up. So that's simple. We're just gonna drop it here, and I'm gonna drop the positive here. I'm gonna use a little mallet just to tap it down. All right, that fits nicely. And that's it, guys. It looks pretty good to get all my accessories hooked up. So now I'm just gonna get my ratchet and just tighten them down, and that's it. Yeah, size 13. Just don't want to over tighten it, but you want to make it snug. There you go. Very nice, very nice. I like how this looks. It's going to be working out very nicely. And with this kit here, they give you the little boot to go over it. So it keeps everything nice and clean. And I think I might have to take this off. You know what? I forgot about my little rubber stops I should have put on here. All right, so I have to take this off. I forgot to put this on, guys. These go on the bottom. So let me get that installed before I seal this up with this. Totally forgot. My bad. All right, putting a little felt rings on it. I forgot to do that early on. That's good. I take the positive off, and gotta do this one also. Totally forgot. There you go. Okay, there you go. That's better. Much better. Okay. That's good. And now we're just gonna add our little boot. And look like the boots. I'll go on something like that. That looks nice. Very nice. I like how that looks. I'm very happy with it. All right, guys, so that's pretty much how it looks. I'm very, very pleased with the setup of these terminals. All right, I am. So, guys, that's a quick look at it. All right, not a long video, very easy to do. This is pretty much eye candy for my Superduty guys out there and gals who may be looking at these terminals and see if it's worth it or not. To me, it is kind of pricey, but is good quality, and I definitely like how it looks. So hooking up all your accessories, your negatives, you got everything, enough posts that you could put whatever aftermarket parts you need to put on there. Everybody has their own little route they can take, and the boot to go over it to protect everything from shortening out and keeping the weather off of it. It looks good. I really do. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Please like, subscribe. Again, all the parts, everything I've done to my truck, there will be affiliate links below. Please consider using those links, and I greatly appreciate it. And I'll just check you out on the next one. Later.